Chrissie Treacy was described in court as a hard worker who lived life to the fullest and was ahead of her time in terms of farming knowledge. The 76-year-old was killed within seconds when Michael Scott reversed over her in his JCB teleporter on her farm at Durryhiney in County Galway in April 2018. The prosecution contended the farmer murdered his aunt following a long-running dispute over land. The trial heard there had been concerns over Ms Treacy's welfare due to her relationship with her nephew and her intention to partition the land they jointly owned. The 59-year-old defendant from Portumna in County Galway had pleaded not guilty to murder and said what happened on his aunt's farm was a tragic accident. Michael Scott was found guilty of manslaughter on the basis of gross negligence following a trial earlier this year. Sentencing today, Ms Justice Caroline Briggs pointed to a number of lies Michael Scott told Gardaí, including when he said his relationship with his aunt was the finest and they only argued over small things. The judge said these were lies told for self-preservation, and she said Michael Scott had shown no remorse in the immediate aftermath of the killing. She said that Chrissie Treacy was entitled to feel safe outside her home, but her nephew didn't think of an elderly lady, his aunt, living alone while he was driving what was effectively a lethal weapon in her yard without keeping a proper lookout. The court noted Michael Scott had no previous convictions, had recently expressed remorse and did accept the jury's verdict. Members of his family cried in court as he was jailed for 6 years. Ms Justice Briggs commended the local community for the care and support they had given to Chrissie Treacy in her final years. Deborah Naylor, Virgin Media News at the Central Criminal Court.